Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. You might be wondering why I have a greasy lunch bag sitting on my counter, but it's because of my favorite kind of pork rinds. Some friends of mine got me these J&J Critters spicy microwave pork rinds, and they're fantastic. Basically, they ship you, whenever you order them, they ship you this container, and these are pork rinds, pre-cooked, and you get this giant container of them. And so this right here is probably, I don't even know, what does it say? I don't know if it even says. 10 servings per container. So this is easily 10 big bags of pork rinds in one little container like this. And this is showing that it's good until like May of next year, meaning that, it's like a good 6-month hold on pork. I go through pork rinds way faster than that. But anyway, long story short, all you got to do is you take some of these, you dump them in the bag, make sure you don't have way too many in there. I don't know, probably 8 or 10 of them, something like that. And then you just set them in your microwave and then put them in there for 2.5 minutes. Take out the ones that are cooked, the ones that are full and fluffy, and then any of the ones that are hard and left over, you just leave them there. Put it back in, maybe 30 seconds again, rinse and repeat until you got your whole thing of pork rinds. So we'll give that a shot and be right back. So it's about 2 minutes in, and I didn't hear them going, so I decided to pull them out early. And looks like we're mostly done already. So and you can hear them; they're like meat pop rocks. Love it. Anyway, they're hot, and if you've never had hot pork rinds, you're in for a treat. Really, really good. And again, these are J&J Critters. So good. That is a good time. Now, I will warn you. These spicy ones are hot. So if you're one of those that's like, do I get the mild or the... If you even have to think about whether or not you should get hot sauce, then do not get the spicy. They have other versions. There's kind of a garlicky one that's pretty good. But this is my go-to slam dunk. This is what I always buy because I love spicy food. So anyway, my recommendation, if you like hot stuff, get yourself some of these things. They're not paying me to say this. Matter of fact, they have no idea who I am. But anyway, this is the stuff. So with that, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.